Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever here. Marshall Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience today. And for first of all, I thought about making a video on my 1998 until early 2000s of the dark green Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled premium. For first of all, I love having old Hoovers in my collection because I love them and I kind of grew up with the older classic Hoovers in my collection. If I ever find another one, I will take one and snatch one up and it will cross my path. I will take any of the vintage Hoovers, Bissell's, Eureka, Singers, Kenmores, these vintage Hoovers and Bissell's and Eureka. For first of all, this vacuum was made on October of 2000. They did make one of these vacuum cleaners in the year 98, yeah. Also, this is a October 27th of 2000's machine. And this machine's going to be 23 years old. And this machine's about 23 years old now. And for first of all, I thought about making a video on my vacuum cleaner. And I really loved what I'm doing. And for first of all, I'm going to say to you guys, wanted I wanted to vacuum this whole living room, and I haven't been done it in a couple of days, and this is a Maytag Hoover, and this is manufactured by October of 2000. Also, they made this manufactured by the year of 98 in the past for the first time, and they made it in the year of 99, and for first of all, there's no vacuum cleaner stores open here in OKC anymore. They closed them all down, and for first of all, I will mostly buy some vintage vacuums at the thrift stores, yard sales, flea markets, Craigslist, OfferUp, eBay. I will mostly go to a flea market and go to yard sales, go to garage sales, go to estate sales. And that's what I do. That's where I get all of my favorite vintage vacuum cleaners from there. And for first of all, I got this at the Goodwill 2 years ago, and for first of all, I'm going to rent it for you guys. Well, everybody, but the machine was made in the late 90s, and they invented this one in the year of 98. And for first of all, in the United States, they discontinued making the Hoover Power Drive Dirt Finder self propel, and they upgraded it to this dark green Hoover wind tunnel self propel machines. They upgraded them to the wind tunnels. Well, the wind tunnels are made in the late 90s, and that's the one I grew up with. And for first of all, I love to use the power drive, not the self-propel mode, because it's a lot easier to do, to push, and you don't have to push so hard on them. And they made these on the Hoover Power Max. Before that, they made them in the late 70s, and they made power drives in the 70s, 80s, 90s. In the 80s, they made it. This is related to a Comset 2. Was a Green Hoover Comset 2, and they made the Hoover Power Max. in a self-propelled way. And they didn't have dirt finders for that. Like one of these dirt finders right here. For first of all, I thought about using one of these vacuums to use. And for first of all, in the self-propelled mode, and they started doing those on the power drive self-propelled and in dirt finders, and they had been doing stuff on lawnmowers, and they made self-propelled lawnmowers and all that stuff. And you know what, guys, I'm gonna turn on the switch, and this is way better than it's way better than my former canister one. Also, this is a lot better. And also, 3, 2, 1, and action. Well, everybody, there you go. Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe, and click down below what you like to see for the Marshall Studios Forever vintage stuff vlog video. And for first of all, I wanted to make sure, I want to thank you for all of you, for all the love and support. For first of all, I gotta say, I want to thanks to everybody for giving me 1K subscribers, and I appreciate all the people I loved. And for first of all, and I've been on YouTube for 6 years, and I've been around since 2017, and I kind of start over my career. I restart over making YouTube videos since 2023, and for first of all, and I wanted to say I'll see you in the next video. Bye.